Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this complex number problem. As per the problem, express z in the form a plus bi. We are given that z is equal to 2 minus I square plus 7 minus 4i over 2 plus I minus 8. A plus bi represents a complex number in standard form. In this form, a and b represent real numbers. A is the real part of the complex number and bi is the imaginary part of the complex number. We have to simplify the given expression for z to this form a plus bi. For that, we'll have to simplify the terms in this expression. In the first term, 2 minus I square, we should expand the square. We should multiply 2 minus I by itself. For the second term, which is a fraction, 7 minus 4i over 2 plus I, we have to use the conjugate method to simplify this fraction. We should multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator expression because we want to get rid of the I in the denominator. In the standard form, there is no I in the denominator. Conjugate is an expression which has the same terms but opposite sign between the terms. So we should multiply 7 minus 4i over 2 plus I by 2 minus I in the numerator and denominator. The last term, negative 8, is a constant, so it will stay as it is. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses using the FOIL method. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative I is negative 2i. Negative I times 2 is negative 2i. Negative I times negative I is positive I squared. And in the next part, we get 7 minus 4i times 2 minus I in the numerator over 2 plus I times 2 minus I in the denominator. The third term stays the same. We can simplify this expression. We can combine the like terms. Negative 2i minus 2i is equal to negative 4i. I squared is equal to negative 1. I is the imaginary unit and I square is equal to negative 1. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses in the numerator and the denominator using the FOIL method. We can distribute the terms in the numerator. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times negative I is negative 7i. Negative 4i times 2 is negative 8i. Negative 4i times negative I is equal to 4i squared. In the denominator, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative I is negative 2i. I times 2 is 2i. I times negative I is negative I squared. And then minus 8. We can simplify this expression further. Plus negative 1 is equal to minus 1. We can combine the like terms in the numerator and denominator. Negative 7i minus 8i is equal to negative 15i. I square is equal to negative 1. In the denominator, negative 2i plus 2i cancel each other out and I square is equal to negative 1. We can continue on the right side. We can combine the like terms, 4 and negative 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. In the numerator, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. In the denominator, 4 minus negative 1 is equivalent to 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. In the numerator, we can combine the like terms, 14 and negative 4. I get 10. We can simplify the fraction by factoring out 5 from the terms in the numerator. We can cancel out the 5's from the numerator and denominator. Next, we can combine the like terms. 3 plus 2 minus 8 is equal to negative 3. Next, we can combine the like terms. Negative 4i minus 3i, which is equal to minus 7i. This is the value of z in standard form a plus bi. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.